Today I'm going to go over how you can start selling on Walmart even if you're not a US citizen. Walmart started allowing people outside of America to start selling, but now they're focusing more on China, and nobody knows exactly when they're actually going to allow most countries to start selling on Walmart. So you can still sell on Walmart if you're not in the US. You just have to open an LLC with an EIN number and just do the application process, and you can get approved. So the first thing we need to do is to open a US LLC and get an incorporation certificate, and then have an EIN number to get approved. So I used Fiverr to find someone to open my LLC. It cost me about 450 US dollars, including all the government fees. And then I got an incorporation certificate and I got an EIN number. Um, the second thing you need is a US virtual phone. So for that, I used Open Phone. I used the standard $10 plan, and I got a US phone. You need that because you need to actually input a US phone number during the application process, and they need to call you or text you to verify you. So you need that. And to increase your chances of getting approved, you need a DUNS number. So that's a number that shows your credit score. Obviously, you're not going to have a credit score because you just started, or it's not going to have much data. I don't actually know how it works, but I've heard that it improves the chances of getting approved. So this usually takes 2 weeks, but it took me like about a week to get. So apply here as well. And once you have all of those, you can start the application process. So you go to marketplace.walmart.com and you can start the application. I've already done mine, so I can't redo it. But let's just go over the application and what exactly you need to do. So obviously input your name, email, and all of that, and then you'll need to choose the W-9 form, and select your state of incorporation where your actual LLC is written at, the address, the legal company name. Are you a public company? No, you're not a public company. Doing business as, you just write your legal company name again. Here you need to upload your US EIN. EIN is also a TIN, so you can just do that, and the DUNS number that you received. To actually do the W-9 form, I used PDF filler. So just write PDF filler W-9 form on Google, and it will show you. It will give you a link to that. If you are the only one in your LLC, you tick this. You put the address that your company is registered under, and here you just input your EIN. And you just sign, you put the date in, and you can download this. PDF Filler has a 30-day trial. I just signed up to that. I put my credit card, and then I just canceled the trial. So I did this for free. So once you have the W-9 form, you go back and you upload it, and then you also upload the EIN document that the person that filed your LLC sent you. And here you put your address, your business address, the address that your LLC is written under, and your open phone number. I ticked SMS message because the time zones are different, and I'm probably going to be asleep when they call, so you can just tick the SMS message and you can reply back. And you need a company website to sell on Walmart, because they want to know that you're an established seller and you actually have a website. If you don't have a website, you can just open a Shopify store, try to make it look nice, and upload it here. Does your business have offices or warehouses outside the US? If you do, if you sell in the UK and the EU, and you actually have a third party fulfillment center, um, yeah, you just input that. That's probably going to increase your chances of getting approved because it shows you're actually a big established brand. So, are you transporting goods from another country? That doesn't mean that you're manufacturing in China and then you're sending it to the US. This question is referring to whether or not you are fulfilling from another country. So, whether or not you're fulfilling from Canada, for example, and shipping to customers in the US. So, if you are manufacturing in China, for example, and then you're sending it to a fulfillment center in the US, you tick no. Um, if you sell in any of these categories, just tick them. Average online revenue in USD. Um, yeah, you just input all of this and the catalog size, and that is referring to SKUs. So if you have a product with 5 different colors and sizes, you write each variation. You count each variation as a product. So, what percentage of SKUs are refurbished? For me, it was zero because I sell them all brand new under my brand. Walmart requires you to have valid UPC codes. So, if you don't get them, and if you even if you don't for a few of them, just type 0% and then try to fix the UPC issue. And what percent of SKUs are used? For me, it was zero again. If you sell in other marketplaces, put your seller name and the marketplace URL. So for me, it was Amazon. And if they see that you're established on Amazon and you have a lot of products and you sell well, this will also increase your chances of getting accepted. For integration, there are a lot of solutions and services of companies that will download or integrate your Amazon catalog straight into Walmart. So if you want to use any of them, before you answer that, just research what you want to use. Or if you want to just upload them either with your VA by hand or yourself, you just write direct API or Seller Central. So current shipping methods, whatever shipping methods that you use, you just tick and you add your warehouse location. If you're shipping from home, you just add your home address, and if you're using a fulfillment center, you just write the address and you ask them what shipping methods they work with. And the last question they want to know is, why would you be a good fit for the Walmart marketplace? So for me, I just wrote that I'm established on Amazon and I sell unique products. I have a martial arts brand and I sell unique martial arts products that most established brands don't use. And I wrote that it would be a great addition to their catalog, and right now they would have to go outside of Walmart to get those products. Obviously, if you don't have that type of those type of unique products, just think of something, show that you're a professional seller and you have a lot of experience, and you have it is your first priority to make your customers happy. And yeah, just think of a creative way to make them see you as a good seller to get into Walmart. And after that, you'll receive an email that they will get back to you in a few days. And yeah, they'll call you to verify, or text you depending on what you ticked. And after that, you should be accepted and you'll be able to sell on Walmart. So I highly recommend you get into Walmart if you're selling on Amazon, you're selling well. Walmart has, it doesn't have the amount of sales Amazon does, but it has way less competition, and it's relatively early on. People don't have that many reviews, and you can establish yourself very well in the marketplace. If you wanna see if your products are a good fit for Walmart, you can use the Helium 10 Chrome extension, which now has integrated themselves into Walmart, and you can actually see sales and revenue, and you can just see if it's a good fit. For me, I have quite a few products that I see have a lot of potential in Walmart, so I'm super excited to get into it and start selling there. I'm going to document my process of getting into Walmart and start selling. So if you want to see more and see how I start selling on Walmart and everything I learn on the way, subscribe. And there's also a link to Helium 10 in the description if you want to see if you're a good fit. So stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next video where I actually upload products and start selling and advertising.